Twirl fans confused after changes to Cadbury Heroes tubs. Cadbury has announced it has withdrawn mini Twirls from some Heroes chocolate boxes due to a problem in its supply chain. As a result, the Twirl Mini Bites have instead been replaced with 2 regular-sized single bars in the tubs. Cadbury owner Mondelez International also had problems supplying its Mikado chocolate sticks in September. A spokesperson for Mondelez said, "We're facing the same challenges that many other food companies have reported in recent months, including supply chain disruptions, which has impacted the availability of Cadbury Twirl products in our Heroes 600G tubs. To ensure we can continue to bring our loyal consumers the products they know and love, we have temporarily substituted treat-size/bit size Cadbury Twirl and Heroes tubs to the slightly larger Cadbury Twirl 21G across a small percentage of tubs produced. Rest assured consumers can enjoy the same amount of chocolate as before with the overall weight of the product remaining the same." The change comes after Mars Wrigley caused controversy after announcing the removal of Bounty bars from some Celebrations tubs earlier this month, because 39% of people hated the coconut-flavored treat. As soon as customers noticed the changes to Twirl, they raced to Twitter to express their surprise, with one writing, "Took some treats over to our @GMMH_NHS #BusinessIntelligence #Heroes this afternoon and the size of those at Cadbury UK Twirls. Literally the best surprise #easily pleased #Cadbury #Twirl #chocolate." Another person wrote, "Opening my box of Heroes to find 2 Twirls in there instead of the mini ones. Does this mean I've won something, or was there just a shortage at the factory on the mini ones?" While a third person said, "Cadbury seemed to make a last-ditch attempt with a Heroes box and put normal Twirls in the box instead of the mini Twirls that usually come with the box.